Hey groomers, Tyler here out of Colorado. This is a first for me. I just got these scissors in a package, and as you can see, they look okay, right? The hone line's all there. This little thing, I mean, it's thin, probably been used, but it's there. And then the hollow's there. But you flip over this other blade, the hollow's gone. This scissor was never finished from the factory. See this? How the lines are vertical. Well, I don't know how you want to say that, but they go towards the tip. And on the other side, they're perpendicular. So this scissor should have never been sold. And I told the groomer to message the company. And she said she did about a year ago, a couple times, and never heard back. So buy your scissors from a reputable company or a sharpener, because if this happens, a good sharpener, a good company will get back to you and replace the scissor for you. But you can feel right here, right where this kind of starts, there's like you could feel it in the scissor. So anyway, I hope this helps somebody. And check out your stuff when you buy it. Make sure there's no defects like that. That's no good. Bye.